Good morning, friends. Previously we saw some example for revision. Today we will continue and today we will solve the example of compound interest. Okay, so here first example, find compound interest on 31,250 at 12% per annum for 2.5 years. Here it is 31,250, that is what principal amount. Rate of interest is 12% per annum. Now, here is 2.5 year. It means here we need to find compounded annually. So, for 2.5 year, we need to find the compound interest for 2 years and then simple interest for half year. Clear? So, amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to n. So, principal amount is 31250, rate of interest is 112, it is 12, rate of interest is 12 divided 100. Now, compound interest for 2 years, so it is raised to 2. So, 31250, 100 ones are 100 plus 12, 112. Divide 100 raised to 2. Now it is 31250 multiply 112 multiply 112 divide 100 multiply 100. So multiply this. Multiply this, you will get 39200. Okay. Now this is a compound interest for 2 years. This is amount. Now this amount will be principal for next half year. So simple interest for half year. In that principal amount is 39200. Rate of interest is 12% and n is half year. So simple interest is PRN divide 100. So P is 3920. 12 1/2 divide by 100. Now if you solve this, you will get 2352. So compound interest is, if you want to find amount, so that will be 39200 P plus S. So after 2.5 years, he needs to pay 41,552. So here, if you want to find compound interest, and subtract the 41,550 minus 31,250. So that will give 10,302. That is compound interest. Clear? Now next one. Find the compound interest on ₹5,000 for 1 year at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. It is written that compounded half yearly. Half yearly means your rate of interest will divide by 2 and n will multiply by 2. So here principal amount is 55,000. Rate of interest is 8% per annum. So it is 4% per half year. And n will be 1 year. So it is 2 half year. Okay. So now we can write amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to n. P, that is 5,000. Rate of interest is 4 divide 100 raised to 2. 100 ones are 100 plus 4. 104 divide 100. 4 raised to 2. Now whole raised to 2 means write it 2 times. 104 divide 100 and so here 30 will be cancelled out. 5 2s are 10. Here 5. 104 multiply 52. 408. This is what amount. So compound interest is amount minus principal value. So it is 5408 minus 5000. So 480. This question can be asked for 2 marks or in MCQ. Okay? You need to solve this if it is in a 2 marks and then you can send, or you need to solve this in a rough work and then you can select your answer. A sum of money amounts to 11,910.60 in 1.5 years at 12% per annum, interest being compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually means it is compounded half yearly. Find the sum. Find the sum means find the principal value. So what is the information given? A sum of money amounts to. Amount is given, not a principal value. So amount is given 11910.16 year. N is what? 1.5 year. But it is semi-annual. Semi-annual means compounded half year. Means here we can write it is 2 1 plus 3. 3 by 2 year. Now compounded half yearly means multiply by 2. So that is 3 half year. Rate of interest is also divided by 2. So 12% per annum. It means 12 by 2. That is 6% per half year. Why we are finding this? Because it is semi-annual. So N will be 3 half year and rate of interest is 6 per half year. A is 11,910.60. We need to find principal value. So we can write the equation A is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to N. So here 11910.16 is equal to P that we need to find 1, rate of interest is 6 divided 100 raised to 3. So here 350. We can cut the common factor. 3 2s are 3 2s are and 50 2s are 100. So 2 that is common factor. 11910.16. 1 plus 3 by 3. So 50 ones are 50 plus 3 53. By 50 is 2. This means 11910.63 is equal to P 53 multiply 53 multiply 53 divide 50 multiply 50 multiply 50. So take this 53 53 53 and divide. And 50 50 50 that is 125 0 0 0 in multiply is equal to P, because we need to find this P. So if you solve this, you will get 10,000. So that is principal value. Here you can cut the common factor, because here if you remove the decimal point you will get 100 in the denominator. Now 53 can be cancelled out by 10,000. Clear? So next, the population of village is 50,000. It is increased by 5% every year. Find the population at the end of 2 years. Population is given. So we can consider it as a 50,000. Rate of interest increase is 5% per annum. Per year means per annum. And N is 2 years. We need to find it for 2 years. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to N. 50,000, that is original value. 5 divide 100 raised to 2. So it is, we can leave it as it is because this 0 will be cancelled out. So 50,000, 100 ones are 100 plus 5, 105 divide 100 raised to 2. 105 multiply 105 divide 100 and 100. If you multiply this, you will get 5595. So this is increase in a population after 2 years when rate of interest increases 5%. Find the compound interest on 1,60,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum when compounded semi-annually. Again, this semi-annually means compounded half yearly. So we can write here principal amount is 1,60,000. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. But you can see it is compounded semi-annually means 5% per half year, and that is 2 years, so it is 4 half years. Okay, now we can write that amount is equal to P 1 plus R divide 100 raised to n. P, that is 1,60,000. 1, rate of interest is 5 divide 100 raised to 4. So here we can write 5 20s are 1600, 1,60,000. 20 ones are 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 raised to 4. So here multiply 21 4 times, divide 24 times. So here this will be cancelled. So multiply 21 4 times. So 4 4 1 4 4 1. So it is 194481. So that is amount after 2 years when it is compounded half yearly. So compound interest will be amount minus P. So perform the subtraction. 194481 minus 160040. So you will get 4481 and this is 3. So it is 34,480. So that is compound interest. Okay. Now next one. The simple interest on certain amount of money for 3 years at 8% per annum is half the compound interest of 4,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum. What is the sum based on asset? Now this is a twist question. The question is given that simple interest on certain amount. There is some amount, and if we find the simple interest, it is for how many years? For 3 years, 8% per annum is half of the compound interest. Compound interest of what? 4,000 for 2 years at 10% per annum. If we find the compound interest for 4,000 2 years and 10%, and if we take half of that, it is the simple interest of amount. And we need to find the amount. Clear? So what is the question? Here if we find the compound interest for 4,000 2 year and 10%, and if we take half of that, it is a simple interest. So first we need to find a compound interest and then take half of that. So that will be simple interest, and then we can find the sum. Okay? That is principal value. So let's find compound interest for rupees 4,000, and that is 2 years, and rate of interest is 10% per annum. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to n. So here P, that is 4000. 1 rate of interest is 10 divided 100 raised to 1 0 will be cancelled. 10 ones are 10 plus 1, 11 by 10, 4 raised to 2. 11 multiplied 11 divided 10, 0. So 121 multiplied 4, so you will get 4840. So that is what amount for 4000, 2 year and 10% per annum. So we can find the compound interest amount minus P, so it is 4840 minus 4000, so that is 840. Now this compound interest, if we take half of that, that will be simple interest. So simple interest is what? 1/2 of compound interest. So that is 1/2 of 840. So it is 420. Now we need to find the sum, means principal values. We can write SI is equal to PRN divide 100. Simple interest is 420. P, that we need to find. Now for simple interest, the rate of interest is 8%. N is 3, divide 100. So take 8 and 3 in a divide. So P is equal to 420 multiply 100 divide 8 multiply 3. So if you solve this, you will get 1750. So that is what principal amount.